Do you ever meet a person with a heart murmur? Do you ever meet someone like that walking around out there? So I have a heart murmur. It's okay. It's not a big deal. I don't think it's not like a disability or anything. Like, you can lead a pretty normal life if you have a murmur. You can play tennis or shoot baskets or pretty much anything you want to do. You can do it. So don't worry about me. Don't stay up at night thinking, oh, I hope he's okay. You don't have to do that. I'm okay. And actually, it's kind of neato, really, because if you put your ear on my chest, okay, you can hear the murmur. Can you imagine that? You can hear it, and it sounds like this. It sounds like murmur, 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 like that. I mean, that's when I'm, if I'm calm and I'm having a good day and I'm at rest, maybe I'm sitting, that's what it sounds like. But let's say I get up and I just go for a run, or I'm running away from the cops or my own father, whatever. If you were to listen then, it'd sound like this: murmur, 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 like that. You know what I mean? So that's that. And then let's say I'm not in a good mood. You know what I mean? And you listen then, it would be like murmur, 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 murmur. Like, I can't be bothered with this shit. Murmur. You can hear it, which is, you can. I've heard it. I have a stethoscope at home, and then but let's say I'm angry. You can hear that too, believe it or not. So let's say I don't like getting angry, and I get ashamed. But I'm a human being mostly, so I get angry sometimes. But if you heard it then, it'd be like murmur, 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 motherfucker, murmur, motherfucker, murmur, murmur, murmur. Kind of like that. Which is, it's not good to be angry, but that's kind of cool. And then let's say I'm having the nasty, dirty sex intercourse with a lady friend. It sounds a little bit like this, like murmur, 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 kind of like that, which is nice, funny. It's a little funny. But let's say I'm really happy. Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm filled with everlasting joy. It kind of sounds like murmur, 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 like that. Which, yeah, I know. So if you see me on the street and you want to listen, just ask me. I'll let you. It's no big deal. You know what I mean? You'll be happy. So maybe I'll see you out there.